Rescue Me, one of my favorite TV shows with Dennis Leary. So, how do you fix a bad 1031 investment? Particularly, how do you fix a DST that's, for whatever reason, gone bad? Either the investment stinks, or the brokerage firm that you bought it from is out of business, or the advisor that sold it to you is no longer in the industry. Well, we get calls like this all the time, and we call it, rescue me. Unfortunately, if the investment's gone bad, we can't help. There's nothing you can do with a bad investment. You put in $1 million, it's worth $200,000. Hey, we can't get you your $800,000 back. You messed up. You trusted the wrong people. So what we find, and we do this all the time, is that when we get a call from somebody that says, hey, I bought this DST from so-and-so, I want to get out, we'll eventually see if there is a secondary market for it. There typically is not. And if it is, it might be worth 50 cents on the dollar. So you put in $1 million, you can get out 500,000. Some cases you put in $1 million, you can get 700,000 out. Sometimes you can only get basically nothing. So, but what we do have is the ability to take that DST, continue to monitor it for you. And when it does mature, if it ever matures, but when it does, we will be there to place you in a superior investment, because that broker who doesn't answer your calls because they're not there, or that advisor or whatever is now gone, and you need help, call us. We'll see if we can come up with a salvage plan for you. Most of the time we can't, but doesn't hurt to try, and we'll certainly do our best to try to help you out. So rescue me.